Okay.
Si ba.
Ba. Ba. Oops. Your turn. You have to study. Come on.
Si ba.
Huh.
Si ba. Ba.
B. B. S. Bus. B. A. G. Bag. B. A. D. Bed. B. E. N. Bean. B. O. X. Box. B. A. T. Bat. B. A. Y. Boy. B. U. G. Bug. B. O. W. Bow.
This one.
What this one?
This one.
That's a bar. Buy, bag, bun, big.
Si ba.
B. Ah. Er. What's next? Ba. Y. Buy. Ahem. Ba. G. Bag. Ba. N. Bun. Ba. I. G. Big.
This one.
That's a map. A. P. Map. A. N. A. Ma. A. A. Man. X. Mix. O. P. Mop. D. Mud.
This one.
D. B. Dub. D. I. Dim. D. O. T. Dot. D. I. B. Deep. D. I. G. Dig.
This one.
What's that? That's a cab, a cap, cat, car, and cup.
Cup and hat. Sing.
What sing?
Sing like two like E-O-E-O-D.
Okay. Nod your head to the left. N-O-D, N-O-D. Uh-huh.
And this one. See what?
And then?
What?
No, that's not wa. Say it. Read it. Read it properly. Okay, let's go here in the story of the friends. No, the two friendship. See that? In a faraway land, there lived an Indian named Isaac. He had an Igorot friend named Inigo. So, who is the friend of Isaac? Who is the friend of Isaac?
Inigo.
Inigo, very good. This one. Isaac and Inigo always went to the igloo. So, Isaac and Inigo, where are they always go? They're always going to the... Hey, come here. I cannot hear you. Come. See, listen to Mama. Isaac and Inigo always went to the igloo. So, where are they going always? They are going to the... Where are they always going? Going to the...
Park.
Isaac and Inigo always went to the igloo. So, where are they going always? They are going to the igloo. They ate ice cream and played ice skating. Come here na. Ay, you're not listening to teacher, Mama. So what are they eating?
Eating ice cream.
Very good. How about what they are playing?
Playing ice cream.
Ice skating. Okay, nice one. Come here, na kayo mag-study. Study man. Okay. One day, they sailed and went to an island. They saw a 3 inches long iguana. What did they saw? What did they see? They saw a... Roy. Ay, not listening. No more na study, babe.
No.
Oh, listen. One day, they sailed and went to an island.
Iron.
They saw a 3 inches long iguana. What did they saw? They saw a...
So, I just walked to Iguana.
Oh, very good. They saw a 3 inches long iguana. Isaac and Inigo ran and jumped as fast as they can. After the iguana, a bunch of insects run after and bite them. So what, sama ni, ay? Isaac and Inigo got it. So what happened to Isaac and Inigo after they ran after the insects? They got
Eel.
ill. Very good. They got yayay. So they looked for a medicine to help them feel better. So Isaac and Inigo never left each other. They stayed as best of friends from that day on. Alright, here. This one here. Oh, look. See that? Animals walk, fly, hop, swim, or run to move around. So these are called animals movement. So they are also moving just like you, Roy. Number 1 animal. This is a
Bee.
bee. So is the bee can fly or can walk?
Walk.
The bee?
Fly.
Fly. Very good. Number 2, shrimp. What does the shrimp can do? Can swing or swing?
Swim.
Swim. Very good. Number 3, it's a cat. Is the cat fly or walk?
Walk.
Okay, nice one. Very good. Number 4, snake. What does a snake can do? Is the snake can hop or crawl?
Go.
Wow, very good, Baberoy. Number 5, it's a dog. Is the dog will fly or walk?
Walk.
Wow, good job. Number 6, this is a butterfly animal. Is the animal will fly or will walk?
Walk.
Wow, good job. How about this one? A whale and a shark. Is the whale and shark can swim or can swing?
Swim.
Swim, very nice. Number 9, bird. Is the bird can walk or can jump?
Jump.
Is the bird can fly or jump?
Fly.
Fly, very nice. This one. Look at this one, boy. So these are the signs and symbols that you can see in school. Roy, come here.
Why come here?
So if the teacher will if Roy is around, so the teacher will say, Roy Igia. What will you say?
Right here.
What will you say?
Right here.
You say, I'm here, teacher. Present. Present, teacher. I'm here. Like that. Here, not that one lagi. Oh, here, this one.
Here. Five. Go out. Autobus.